but I need more wood. Uh-huh. I have to sneeze really bad, guys. What do I do? Okay. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Where did it go? Give me my flint! Bless you, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Thank you.